Butter is that golden, creamy delight that elevates everything it touches, whether it's melting into a warm slice of toast, enriching a flaky pastry, or bringing depth to a savory sauce. It's a kitchen staple loved worldwide. But the process of transforming raw milk into the smooth, unsalted butter you spread on your bread is a fascinating blend of nature, science, and precision. Today, we're taking you on an in-depth 2-hour journey inside a modern factory to reveal exactly how unsalted butter is made. This is a front row seat to every step, from the moment milk leaves the cow to the final packaged block ready for your table. We'll break down the process with vivid detail, share surprising facts, and keep you hooked with the mesmerizing mechanics of butter production. Get ready for an exclusive look at a process that's as satisfying to understand as butter is to taste. The process begins on a dairy farm, where the foundation of buttermilk is collected from cows. These animals are carefully tended to ensure their milk is of the highest quality. Cows graze on nutrient-rich elephant grass, a fibrous, easily digestible feed that boosts the fat content and flavor of their milk. The grass is grown in nearby fields, harvested fresh to provide essential nutrients like proteins and vitamins, which directly impact the milk's richness. To keep the cows healthy, farmers use smart collars, high-tech devices that monitor body temperature, heart rate, eating habits, and activity levels. These collars send real-time data to a central system, allowing farmers to spot any signs of illness or stress immediately. Healthy cows produce milk with higher fat content, which is critical for making creamy, delicious butter. Each cow is milked twice daily in automated milking parlors, where they step into individual stalls, soft rubber cups attached to the udder, using gentle suction to mimic a calf's natural suckling. This ensures the cows remain comfortable while the milk is extracted efficiently. Hygiene is paramount. Every surface, from the udder to the milking equipment, is washed with fresh water to eliminate any dirt or bacteria. The milk flows through sanitized pipes into collection tanks, maintaining its purity from the very first drop. Once collected, the milk is loaded into refrigerated trucks kept at 39 degrees Fahrenheit to preserve freshness. These trucks race to deliver the milk to the factory within 24 hours, ensuring no quality is lost. Upon arrival, the milk undergoes rigorous testing in a laboratory. Technicians use advanced equipment to check for bacteria, contaminants, and the milk's fat and protein content. This step is critical. Only milk that meets strict safety and quality standards is approved for processing. Approved milk is pumped into massive stainless steel storage tanks, which maintain a constant 39 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent microbial growth. These tanks, towering over the factory floor, are designed to hold thousands of gallons, their polished surfaces gleaming under the bright light. The milk sits here briefly, awaiting its transformation into butter, protected from any external factors that could compromise its quality. The next step is pasteurization, a process that ensures the milk is safe for consumption. The milk is pumped through a network of pipes into a heat exchanger, where it's rapidly heated to 280 degrees Fahrenheit for just 2 to 4 seconds. This ultra-high temperature UHT pasteurization kills harmful bacteria, molds, and pathogens without altering the milk's flavor or nutritional profile. Immediately after, the milk is cooled back to 39 degrees Fahrenheit using a chilling system, a precise process that prevents any bacterial regrowth. The equipment is meticulously cleaned before and after each batch to maintain hygiene, with automated systems spraying water and sanitizers to ensure no residue remains. This quick, high-heat treatment is a marvel of modern food safety, balancing efficiency with quality preservation. Now comes the separation process, where the milk is transformed into cream, the key ingredient for butter. The milk is fed into large centrifugal separators that spin at 6,500 revolutions per minute. This high-speed rotation separates the milk into two components: skim milk, which is low in fat, and cream, which is rich in butter fat. The skim milk is diverted for other uses, like producing low-fat dairy products, while the cream is collected in chilled tanks. The cream's fat content is carefully measured and adjusted by blending in small amounts of skim milk if needed, ensuring the ideal fat percentage for unsalted butter, typically around 80%. This precision is crucial, as even a slight variation can affect the butter's texture and flavor. The cream is thick and velvety, a pale golden liquid that holds the promise of the butter to come. The cream is now ready for churning, the heart of the butter-making process. It's pumped into massive stainless steel churns, each capable of processing thousands of pounds of cream. For unsalted butter, the cream is not fermented, preserving its clean, pure flavor. The churn's blades rotate at a controlled speed, agitating the cream to break down fat globules. This causes the fat molecules to clump together, forming small butter grains, while releasing buttermilk, a watery byproduct. The process is mesmerizing. The cream transforms from a smooth liquid to a grainy, golden mass over the course of several minutes. The churns are equipped with sensors to monitor texture and consistency, ensuring the butter grains are neither too coarse nor too fine. Once the grains form, the buttermilk is drained off, leaving behind the butter solids. These solids are washed with cold, purified water to remove any remaining buttermilk, which could affect shelf life. The washing process is repeated multiple times, with the water carefully filtered to maintain hygiene. The butter is then kneaded to achieve its signature smooth texture. This happens on large spinning tables, where mechanical arms gently work the butter, blending it into a uniform, creamy mass. For unsalted butter, no salt is added, keeping the flavor neutral and versatile for cooking or baking. The kneading process also removes excess moisture, ensuring the butter has the right consistency, silky but firm, spreadable, yet structured. Quality control technicians monitor this stage closely, testing samples to confirm the butter meets fat content and texture standards. The butter is now a vibrant yellow, its color derived naturally from the beta-carotene in the grass the cows ate, a testament to the quality of the raw materials. Next, the butter is molded into shape. It's transferred to forming machines that press it into 44-pound blocks for industrial use, or smaller portions, like sticks or cubes for retail. The machines are precise, cutting and shaping the butter with surgical accuracy to ensure uniform sizes. Some butter is molded into decorative shapes, like small cones or squares, for specialty markets. The equipment is cleaned between batches to prevent cross-contamination, with automated systems ensuring every surface is spotless. The butter's texture at this stage is so smooth it almost glistens, a far cry from the liquid cream it once was. Packaging is the final step, and it's as meticulous as the rest of the process. The butter is wrapped in materials designed to protect its flavor and freshness. Some is packaged in foil pouches, which block light and air to prevent oxidation. Others are placed in sturdy plastic tubs, which are popular for their durability. About 40% of butter today is packaged this way. These tubs are designed to withstand transport, with secure lids that make them easy to open and reseal. The butter is weighed and portioned with precision, ensuring every package meets exact specifications. Automated conveyors move the packaged butter to cooling rooms, where it's stored at 35 degrees Fahrenheit to maintain quality before shipping. Each package is labeled with batch numbers for traceability, a final assurance that the butter is safe and ready. For consumers, the entire process, from farm to factory, is a symphony of precision and care. The cows are tended with advanced technology to ensure their health, producing milk that's rich and pure. The milk is tested, pasteurized, and separated with scientific accuracy, then churned and packaged with meticulous attention to detail. Every step is governed by strict hygiene standards, with automated cleaning systems and quality checks ensuring the butter is flawless. The result is unsalted butter that's smooth, creamy, and versatile, ready to enhance any dish it touches. Did you know that a single cow can produce enough milk in a year to make over 400 pounds of butter? That's thousands of servings, each one a product of this incredible process. As we conclude this deep dive, consider the scale of it all. A modern butter factory can process millions of pounds of milk annually, turning out tons of butter for kitchens worldwide. Yet, despite the industrial scale, the process retains a sense of artistry. Every batch is a balance of nature's gifts and human ingenuity. The equipment, from milking machines to churns, is a testament to engineering, while the focus on cow health and milk quality reflects a commitment to tradition. Whether it's a stick of butter in your fridge or a block used by a chef, each one carries the legacy of this process. If you've been captivated by this detailed look at how unsalted butter is made, subscribe and turn on notifications for more deep dives into the world of food production. Thanks for joining us on this fascinating journey through the factory, and we'll see you in the next one.